no storm, I don't need to control it. My body already knows. I didn't push, I open space. Let trust move through my body with grace. Old stories falling beneath my skin, something ancient waking again. Trust your body, it already knows the path appears when we let it unfold. Feel it, heartbeat under my skin. Hear it once again. We are divine beings, love remembering love, something ancient waking inside every one of us. No fear in the weather, no break in the seam, all one high working together we dream. Together we dream. In the guide, electric and wire, speaking in rhythm without disguise. I walk my line without control, letting creation take the road. We let don't play small, same sky breathing through us all. Many faces, one deep tone, every path still leads us home. Trust keeps rising in my chest, a new signal where fear once slept. There is no chase, there is no tether. I simply open a line. High heartbeats under my skin, millions of stories, one origin. Feel the currents inside my veins. I aligned and everything changed. We are divine.